Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my review of the TWSOUL tree climbing kit. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So we purchased these on Amazon, TWSOUL tree climbing kit with the harness for $119, $119.99 Canadian. There is a cheaper version which is $89.99, and that is basically just the tree spurs. It doesn't come with the waist harness and tree harness. But anyways, as you can see here, the calf support is basically just held on by zip ties as well as the calf strap. I'm okay with that for what we're using it for. Now, as you can see here, it's got two adjustment screws. As you can see, screws just come out, slides in and out, and then you just set it to whichever is most comfortable on your calf. Now, the kit also comes with two extra calf straps, a leg strap. It also comes with a foot strap, as you can see here, which is a polyester spandex mix. Now let me show you how I put them on. Okay, so the way that I put these on is I take the strap, just run it through that side. And what I'll do before I tie that on, I'll just take this. I won't snug it tight, just put it on enough so that it doesn't slip. You see, I want it to go like this. Take the other end, put it through the O-ring. Make sure they're about the same length, and then pull it tight. Then I cross them over each other. And put it under my boot. Keeping it tight all the time. Cross it over on the front. Cross it around the back. And then basically just tie it like a shoelace. Surprisingly, that's pretty comfortable. Then I take this strap, put it around by my ankle, put it in, snug it tight, lock it like that, push that in, like that. And that's how they go on. When the spike goes in the tree and you put your weight on it, it really pushes down this way. There is foam on the inside, but it's very thin. I think I'm going to add some foam to it for a little bit more comfort. And that's it. So this is your harness that it comes with. Now, my waist is between 30 and 32, depending on how much I eat, how much I don't eat, how much exercise I get. So I'm a tiny guy. This part here, which goes against your lower back, my only complaint is that I wish it was attached all the way and wasn't just stitched at the one part. The reason why is because when I was using it to climb the tree last time, I find that it would slip past and dig in. So as you can see, this here, this is what I'm talking about. That, I don't like that feature. And it didn't seem to matter how tight I put it. Once I was in the tree, it came out. Other than that, this was fairly comfortable. So as you can see, this comes with its own locking carabiner. I'm not really impressed with the locking mechanism. It held me while I was in the tree, And then this, once you wrap it around the tree, just gets hooked onto here. As for the adjustment of this belt, I've got it fully extended. So let me show you how you get the tree. This is a smaller tree. If this tree was any bigger, or I was a bigger guy, I wouldn't be able to do that. If I was an arborist, I don't know if I would feel comfortable in this. The belt, obviously way too short. It's okay for the smaller trees, like I said. But for what we're using it for, chaga, maybe the odd removal on our property here and there, I'm okay with it. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but for $119 Canadian, can't complain. So do I consider this the safest tree climbing gear for the cheapest price? It's really going to depend on your activity. If you're doing anything like toppling the top of trees or anything, I wouldn't recommend it. If you're doing recreational stuff like chaga, maybe bird watching, I don't know. Yeah, I'm definitely completely comfortable in this. Am I going to have to do a few adjustments so that it's comfortable on my body? Around here, yes, because once the weight comes on it, it pushes into your calf, so a little bit of foam. Other than that, for 119 bucks, really couldn't go wrong. I don't have to find any more chaga this year. I got 10 pounds of it. Anyways, if you got any questions, comments, let me know down below. And that's it.